Today we will learn how to find the length of a tangent drawn from an external point to a circle. A tangent is a line that just touches the circumference of a circle. It does not intersect the circle if it is extended. The tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle drawn to that point. Here we are given a point P0, X0, Y0 and a standard circle with center O minus G minus F. We are going to find the length of the tangent AP0. Here we can see that OAP0 is a right angle triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. That will be OA squared plus AP0 squared equals OP0 squared. So if we subject AP0, we get D squared equals OP0 squared minus OA squared. So then we can find the distance OP0 using the distance formula. So D squared equals X0 minus G squared plus Y0 minus F squared whole thing square root and squared of that minus the radius squared. So the radius can be given as square root of G squared plus F squared minus C and then the squared of that. Now we get D squared equals X0 plus G whole thing squared plus Y0 plus F whole thing squared minus G squared minus F squared plus C. When we open these brackets and simplify, G squared and F squared get cancelled off and finally we get the distance D equals square root of X0 squared plus Y0 squared plus 2GX0 plus 2FY0 plus C. This formula can be used directly in your exams. To get a better understanding, let's work out an example. Here we are given a circle S with the equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 6 equals 0 and an external point P0, 4, 5. So now we have to find the length of the tangent drawn from this external point to this circle. So for that we have to first find the values of G and F. So here we can see that 4 is equal to 2G. Therefore G will be equal to 2 and 6 is equal to 2F. Therefore F is equal to 3. Now that we have G and F, we can substitute these values into our equation. So D squared equals X0 squared plus Y0 squared plus 2G X0 plus 2F Y0 plus C. So that is equal to 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 2 into 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3 into 5 minus 6. So D squared is equal to 81. So therefore the distance of the tangent is 9 units. Now for the tip of the day. You can draw two tangents from a point to a given circle. The lengths of both these tangents are the same. You can prove this by looking at this diagram. Here the triangle OAP0 and OBP0 are congruent to each other. This is because we have two sides, that is OA, OB and a common side OP0 which are equal to each other, and also an angle of both triangles that are equal to each other, that is OAP0 and OBP0. So because of that we can say that the corresponding sides are also equal to each other. So AP0 and BP0 are equal to each other. That brings us to the end of this video. In our next video, we will use this formula to find the position of a point relative to a circle. Until next time, take care.